Hi, my name is Dr. Ken Anderson, and here's my career timeline in about 90 seconds. I graduated high school in Michigan, and then I attended Penn State University. I took a degree in pre-medicine and a degree in the fine arts. I graduated from the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine. Got published in JAMA. That was awesome. Then completed a residency in what's called otolaryngology, head and neck surgery. I completed a fellowship in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery, also at the University of Michigan, under the direction of Dr. Shan Baker. I got my start in hair restoration surgery in Beverly Hills, California. I took a job with what was called the New Hair Institute with Dr. Bill Rossman and Dr. Bob Bernstein, two legends in the field of hair restoration surgery. So I learned from the best. I was there in Beverly Hills until about 2008, when I was recruited by Emory University here to be the chief of hair restoration surgery within the Department of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. And I was there for 3 years until 2011, when I left Emory to start the Anderson Center for Hair. Since 2011, I've been working hard on building this practice based upon an amalgam of the best practices I found within the specialty of hair restoration surgery. And since 2011, we've been focused entirely on treating men's and women's hair loss.